Okay, made it to camp. I'm at Duck Creek Recreation Area in Nebraska. Looks like a great place to hang out for the evening. Looks like I pretty much have it all to myself, which is great. But yeah, I'll take you around and show you the camp here. But there's good access for kayaks just right from the campsite. Looks like we can get down there, and I don't have kayaks with me today, but we'll come back. But yeah, there's a little edge of the lake comes back up in here right up to the primitive campground. There's some electrical sites up there on the hill. There's probably, wow, I bet there's 50 sites up there, but nobody's here today. There's a couple campers, but nobody there. So yeah, we'll get the campground to myself. Check it out. I'm going to show you what I came up with for window coverings in this bigger camper shell, and that looks like it's going to work out all right. Get this black material from a local store that everybody goes to, and it's black on one side and it's pretty much the color of the inside the camper on the other side, but it is not see-through at all. It's a little bit of rubberized to it. Show you what I did. Okay, if you can see, I've got them rolled down right now. They're all rolled down, but all you have to do is take this, roll it out. I've already got Velcro attached. So you just bring it up, stick it, and your window is blacked out for nighttime sleeping or privacy or whatever you would like. Do the same back here. Just roll it out. There's the Velcro that's already on it. Just take it up and stick it. Stick it however you want. And boom, you're blacked out. Seems like it's going to work extremely well. There's what it looks like blacked out. And we'll go out here and look. And your windows are just completely black that way. And very easy to put up and store. And fairly inexpensive, but very easy if you got the carpet on the inside. There's what it looks like with them rolled down, and there it's rolled up and completely blacks it out. I still have to do my back window yet and front window, but that'll be easy, just a measure cut, put some Velcro on and stick it up. So that's what I came up with for window coverings, and it looks like it's going to work pretty well. So back here I'll show you, I did a little insulation. I covered the wall back behind these extra long pillows that I stuffed down in here. So that's all covered with Reflectix to help with the coolness at night. So that should work just pretty well. But yeah, it's nice and warm this afternoon. I'm gonna get some windows open and get some air flowing. Yeah, that feels pretty good. And it looks like it's a nice 73 degrees right now. Perfect. Not too hot, but just right. We'll go walk around, check out the campground. check out the lake down here. Looks like there's even a little concrete spot for putting in a kayak. It's a small boat. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, this is a primitive camping area, which it's nice. It's close to the water. You can see my site up there on the hill. Mine's a back-end site. There's about 3 back-end sites, and then the rest of us just pitch your tent and camp. Looks like it's $5 a night. There's the bathrooms here at the primitive site. There's 4 back-end sites over there, and then 1 back-end site here, and then down there it looks like you can just pitch your tent wherever you want. Picnic table and fire rings. Some nice sites over here. The ground's pretty flat with tents. Not far from parking. You just walk over and put your tent up. And if you have a kayak, you can just drop in the water and go. Looks like you can get to the main part of the lake down there. Under the road, there's a bridge. Looks like you can go under and get to the main part of the lake. This is some jerky I bought on the way up here. It's different. It was a bargain. I got it and tried it. Well, it's okay, but I got to reading on it. It's Beyond Meat jerky. No GMOs, no soy, no gluten, and also no meat. It's a plant-based jerky. It's a little different. Not quite what I was expecting, but it'll do. I have a battery going low, so I'll show you how I charge batteries out here. Just take my GoPro battery and stick it in the charger. Stick it into the jackery. Turn it on, and we're charging. So when that turns green, it'll be charged up. So we'll get that battery going. So we have plenty of power. Jack Daniel's pulled pork. And we'll see how that goes. Well, that's going to do it for this camping trip. Duck Creek Recreation Area. A nice little campground. I hear the trains are going. I'm going to get out of here. But I will see you the next time I get out of the house.